Hey guys, welcome back to Skills Software. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own mockup, any type of mockup, and add your design to it. So a disclaimer right here, if you have Canva Pro, it should work pretty fine if you were to add your design. And what I mean by this is that if you click Add Media, upload your logo right here. We're going to use Skills Software for example, use image. And when you hit create an image, it will not allow you because Match image requires a Pro subscription for this feature. Again, if you have the Pro version, it should be fine. And if not, we will use ChatGPT instead. So to do so, we will use Canva AI to create the mockups and apply our design using ChatGPT. Alright, so let's begin. So first things first, I want you to go down to the description and copy this prompt right here. So let's go through with this prompt template. So a high resolution type of product mockups. So this could be your type of product mockup. It could be shirts, it could be books, mugs, whatever you desire. Displayed in a style or setting. The mockup includes specific detail like shadows, reflections, textures, lighting, shown from a camera angle if you have one specific, for example, top-down, isometric, or eye level. And you have to add on your style, which is modern, minimalistic, photorealistic, so on and so forth. Last but not least is your background. That could be transparent, desk or fabric, abstract gradient background. So this is the template right here. Again, it is available in the description. You can go ahead and copy and customize it yourself. Here are some of the examples that I have. One is t-shirt mockup on a hanger, coffee cup branding mockup, app interface mockup on smartphone. Before we begin, here are some tips for strong mockup prompts. First, you have to specify the object and setting clearly. Mention textures, materials, and lighting. Choose a style, whether that's photorealistic, flat, 3D. Include camera angle and background detail. State whether the mockup is blank or includes a design. This is very important. Again, if you have the Pro version of Canva, you can include your design together by uploading an image. If you don't have the Pro version, all you gotta do is state that this mockup is for blank, right? So we want to create a blank mockup and then we use our mockup, add our design using ChatGPT. Alright, so in this case, we will use an example for a t-shirt mockup on a hanger. Understanding our image generation is limited unless you have the paid version. This includes ChatGPT, alright? So first things first, I'm gonna paste my prompt right here. Oh, and if you haven't already, sign up to Canva, select Canva AI and select create an image. And once you have pasted your prompt right here, a high resolution t-shirt mockup on a wooden hanger against a minimal white wall. The t-shirt has soft fabric texture and subtle shadowing, photorealistic style, soft diffuse lighting, top-down camera angle, background slightly blurred for focus on the shirt. Again, remember what is important. If you don't have the Pro version of Canva, you can type in a high resolution blank t-shirt mockup on a wooden hanger against a minimal white wall. Alright, so here you can choose a style, but we will not touch this because we're just going to create a mockup, and you can also choose your canvas sizes. We're going to go 16:9 for now. So let's hit submit. And as you can see, Canva is generating image for us. And there you go. So we got a t-shirt mockup right here. Although it is not in a full image, I think it did a pretty decent job. So in that case, I'm actually going to change the canvas size. Make sure this is a blank t-shirt mockup on a wooden hanger. Actually, I wanted to add, instead of a white colored t-shirt, I want to add milk color. So it's slightly yellowish, which suits the branding of Skills Software. So a blank t-shirt mockup on a wooden hanger. I'm gonna write milk colored t-shirt. There you go. A blank milk colored t-shirt. And we're gonna put the canvas size as, why not try 4:3. I hope this fixes the sizes. And also you can even mention fit to frame. So the whole shirt will fit to frame. But for the sake of this example, I will keep moving on. And again, be reminded you guys can customize your mockup using the prompts. And there you go. You can see there's a little bit of milk color, and the sizes, the canvas sizes is now different compared to the previous one. And you can see these are a little bit folded. I don't want that. I think we'll take this for now. So I'm gonna hit download. Awesome. Now we're gonna jump into ChatGPT, and here we are going to paste our design. So as you can see, I have my Skills Software branding icon right here. I'm gonna drag and drop into ChatGPT and my mockup design. Here you can just ask ChatGPT to apply your brand design onto your mockup. Can you apply my logo design onto the mockup? And I'm gonna hit enter. Let's see how ChatGPT responds to this very simple prompt right here. Remember, prompt is very important. So if there's any mistake, you can ask ChatGPT to fix that. And there you go. Our logo design is imprinted on the mockup t-shirt. That is amazing. Look at that. I'm gonna save this.